What is up, Frazzell family? So we are in the back workbench here, letting that Gibson dry up there. So no sound. Obviously, first choice is I'm gonna check the batteries, but he said it's got no sound coming from it whatsoever, or exactly what's what. So I'm gonna go through and check everything on this. Pull out a schematic, and then I'm going to see if I can trace back what is wrong with this thing. So, not like the other one that has dual batteries. So I'll go through, I'll check all this, and go from there. On this is a Schecter. I think I showed you guys. It said it was in the case. This is a Schecter bass EMGs once again. And so update on the amp. So last night we worked a little late on the amp. So basically what we've done so far is we replaced the fuse. So the fuse was pretty bad off. So we put a new fuse box in the back because it wasn't getting any connection. And then we replaced another fuse in there. A couple of other small things we replaced in there. And so we're still checking on some things with it. So yeah, that's pretty much it on that. And I'm going to go through and figure that out off camera. What's going on with all this. And I'll come back for an update once I have more information on this. So yeah, I'll come back for more information once I have it. So, alright, so we're back here at Le Gibson. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful guitar. Got to get some things cleaned up on it. So that's what's on the bench, or what we're looking at today. Finish that up. I'll do a video. So I talked about this. So I've ordered the jacks. They should be here tomorrow. The stuff for this should be here tomorrow. So that's what I'm waiting on. And so yeah, we've cleared some stuff. We got this in stock. If anybody has any information, we're going to have the banjo guy come look at it here in a little bit. So we picked up this thing today, which is really, really, really cool. So yeah, and I mean, there's the lag that was featured in the video. So, you know, we got this Black Star amp, but onto it. Yeah, Frazzell there. So really just working on this thing and then that one back there. Then once that one back there gets done, I can move on to this one next. So you just kind of slowly with an ice hammer chip away at the repairs until you get them all done. So yeah, that's pretty much what's on the bench. And here in a little bit, I'll come back on camera and I'll show you exactly what's going on with the bass back there. I'll tell you exactly what was wrong, and we'll go from there. So yeah. And by the way, the headstock was broken on this thing too, by the way. And I'll show you that. So we had to go in and fix that. So I'm going to stop here at this point, but the camera will be back, and we'll talk about what issues I found with this. What is up? I'm going to let you guys hear how this sounds. So I'm on the bench. yeah, just a little basic sound. I don't got it plugged in. So yeah, but this is a little overview. I know it's showing it's backwards because of this camera, but yeah. Or I may fix that actually. Vector bass on the main bench here. So right now, all it's looking like is it's a battery problem, which I don't know if he forgot about the battery, which it did have some static, which that was cleaned up, little contact cleaner, because there is a pot in there that's not solderless, but little contact cleaner, cleaned up, you know, that helped out a lot with the contact cleaner. But, so yeah, that's on that one. That one over there showed you. So we're gonna let that one over there sit overnight and see how we do. But I'm extremely pleased with this. That one should have the parts here tomorrow. And then of course, next up on the book is the Schecter bass. So we chisel one away at a time. And then pretty much it. And then tomorrow will be the Strat. Finish out this guitar. Start on this guitar. And then if I have time towards the end, this Guild. So yeah, just chiseling away one at a time. So, well, I'm going to hop off here for today. Thank you for watching. And we are located at 228 Jane Trl, Danville, Kentucky, Frazzell Guitars here. And, yeah, so that's what we're working with. So, a lot of different things. But beautiful Schecter bass. So, make sure you check us out. And all that good stuff. And, yeah, that's pretty much it for today's episode of What's on the Bench. We're going to try to upload a video daily showing what's on the bench at Frazzell Guitars, what's going on, talking about repairs. I may even do a repair for you on the table. So appreciate all the love and support, everybody watching, catching up, and you all have a great day.